Hello everybody, Baka girl is back. Yes I am. So today I'm going to put in my natural laxer and I just want to show you how to put it in and tell you just a little bit about it. Okay, so what it does is it releases your curls. So I have very tight hair. I have 4C. It's more like 4Z. So thank goodness for Baka. This is going to release the tightness and give me more of a bounce. It'll be quicker to wash my hair and shampoo and condition and all of that lovely stuff. So I want you to watch and see what I do and see if this is for you. But you have to have patience. This is a very slow process. Nothing happens overnight. That I found out. So here we go. Okay, so I get a container, any kind of container is fine. I get a spoon, and this is going to help me, stir it. And so let me show you. It comes in a container like this. It depends on which one you get, but they all come in containers like this. And so I'm going to put it in. I'm using two because I have a lot of hair. So you can get, it's best to get two if you have a lot of hair. But if you don't have that much hair, you can go for one, okay? And so what this was that I just put in is the natural laxer. It's a matter of fact, I have a card here. Let me quickly read it to you. It's healthy herbs infused with Sahara clay makes natural laxer mix 100% hair spa. Ooh, don't you love that? So it loosens the hair naturally and gently, and it strengthens and repairs. So let's go. Let's see. All right, so I poured two containers in, these two containers, and then Baka sent me natural laxer rose water. That's a very good thing. So it comes with directions, so you don't have to worry about that. But since I've used it for so many times and it's awesome, I pretty much know what works for me. Sometimes things that work for me might not work for you, so start off with the directions. And as you keep ordering it, if you choose to keep ordering it, you'll get better and know what works. So sometimes a little more water than what it says might work better. I know it does for me. So I actually put this whole natural laxer rose water in. Okay, but remember, read the directions. But this is best for my hair. Okay, so I mix that. I pour that. And then Baka sent the herbal hair oil. This is really good. This you can spray on some now, or it's really used later. But I noticed for me, it's actually better if I use it now with the mix. Yes, I'm putting it with the mix. So, okay. And then I'm going to stir. So it looks like this. And I'm going to stir it now. And you have to stir it good. Try to make sure there's no lumps. So it takes a few minutes to stir, so I'm stirring it. And I'm going to add water. So I have my container of water. And you have to measure, just like I said, make sure you follow the directions. And this is not a relaxer, so it's not going to burn. And by the way, I have gloves on because it can be a little bit messy, and I just don't want mess all on my fingernails and stuff like that. So I use gloves. Okay, so I poured my water in, the amount that I need, since I've been using this for a while. Trust me, you have to have patience, and if you have patience, you're gonna truly be happy. It takes time, and it depends on your hair type. Okay, so if you have thicker hair, it might take longer. I know it takes my hair a little longer and a little bit more packages to buy. Okay, so once you mix it, make sure all the lumps are gone. Let me see it. Okay, good consistency. Mine's actually a little bit more watery because it works better for me. Okay, so now I'm going to apply it to my hair. Okay, here we go. Apply it. Okay. So it's kind of like a mud type of thing. Here, the texture is very muddy. Let me see if I can show you. Okay, it's supposed to be thicker, but like I said, I need more water. So, and then you're gonna apply it all to the hair. You take your time, and you're gonna apply it. You can actually comb it in sections. So while I put this in, I'll be back later because what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to leave it in for the night. So I have a little cap, and Baka has great caps, and I forgot to order one, so shame on me. So I'm going to use just a regular plastic cap. If you have a plastic bag, go for that. And so I'm going to put it all in and put my plastic cap on, and I'm going to sleep overnight. Yes, you can, because remember, this is not a relaxer. Okay, it's a releaser. How about that? All right, so I'll see you soon. I'm going to put all this in, and we'll go from there. Okay. Hello everybody. I'm back. Your Baka girl is back. Okay, so last night I had a great sleep, and I slept with my sleeping cap. It's actually a plastic cap I put on my head for it to moisturize and really get in there. And I just want to show you any type of plastic cap will do. It can be any type of, as long as it's anything. See, anything. This will be wonderful. And I also had a towel so nothing messes up my pillow. And I went to sleep, and now I woke up. I'm up, and I'm ready to show you what it looks like. Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Okay, this is the natural laxer that we've been talking about, and I got it all in my hair, and I can feel the difference. I can see the difference. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually wash it out. I have the Max Moisture shampoo infused with argan oil. It's hydrating and it's color safe. I don't have color in my hair, but whoever does, it's color safe. Trust me, it's okay. So I'm going to now take this shampoo. I have 2 of them because I ordered the bigger package, the gold natural laxer package. So I'm going to wash my hair now, and after that you will see the results. But I'm already feeling the results. I see a difference. You can see the coils, but let's see how it goes. Okay, thank you. Hey guys, Baka girl is back. Look at this. I already see the difference. I hope you can too. Look at this. It's soft. It's free. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I am going to use their camel milk infused organic hair repair leave-in conditioner. Wow, that's a lot, but it sounds good. Wow. So it comes in a little container like this. This I had gotten separate, so it doesn't come in that pack, the gold natural laxer kit. It comes in another pack. I mean, you can get it separate. But I'm going to try this, and what I'm going to do after I try this, I'm going to style it. So let's see how it comes out. But I already feel a difference. I hope you can see the difference. There's definitely a difference here. Even the texture. I feel a difference. All right. See you soon. Baka girl's back. Oh my goodness. Do you see this? Talk about ringlets. Talk about curls. Don't tell me you don't see a difference. Oh my God. My hair is so soft. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. It was so worth it. You've got to get Baka, but you have to have patience because it does take a while. But look at this. It's so worth it. My hair, it moves, it shakes. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Woo! Oh my God, I love it. And it's soft to the touch. Sorry you can't touch it, but I can. You're going to love it. Get Baka. Come on, girls. Be Baka beautiful. Bye-bye now. Go get yours.